Plano's redesigned all-weather series of gun cases are made to keep your firearms safe, no matter the conditions outside. Our new all-weather 2 line of rifle cases offer the same rugged dependability you've come to expect from Plano. The continuous dry lock seal provides maximum protection for your gear, keeping elements out. Dual-stage lockable latches make sure the case stays closed, even when subjected to intense bumping and jarring. And a pressure release valve adjusts for changes in pressure due to temperature or altitude. The customizable plug-to-fit foam holds your gun and accessories securely. The larger 52-inch case includes Easy Glide enclosed wheels to make getting the case from here to there a breeze. So travel to your hunt in confidence. With an all-weather 2 case, your gear will be ready when you arrive.
Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our AR-15 carry case. It's designed to hold your AR-15 carbine, a revolver or pistol, as well as mags for both guns. First, we'll go over the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the pre-cut foam plugs. It can hold your AR-15 with a collapsible stock, 1 semi-auto pistol or revolver, 2 30-round magazines, 3 pistol magazines, along with 2 cutouts for miscellaneous accessories. The foam is pre-cut with a variety of perforations. For example, to fit a scope, you'll need to connect the existing foam perforations and remove these pieces. Repeat the same process for customizing the foam to fit underbarrel attachments, such as angled foregrips, lasers, and flashlights. If you do not have a scope or a specific accessory, the perforated foam can be left in place. The pistol cutout is immediately ready to fit a subcompact. However, there are perforations in the foam that, when removed, will expand the cutout to fit a compact, full-size, or revolver. Foam plugs, once removed, can be placed back into the cutout for a more snug fit. 2 accessory pockets above the barrel and below the mag well will fit your safety gear and more. The base foam is made out of a non-abrasive, military-grade polyethylene, which is known for its ability to absorb shock, and it's closed cell, so it won't absorb liquid and you can easily wipe it away. The foam in the lid is a much softer, convoluted polyurethane whose ridges help to secure everything in place. The case features 4 snap latches with positive feedback, 6 padlockable holes, 4 in the front and 2 in the back for added security, 4 strong mechanical hinges, 2 feet so that the case can stand upright on its own, a balanced integral handle for easy carry, raised walls and chamfered corners to deflect impact, and ridges so that the case is stackable if you have more than one. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.
Let's take a look at the 48-inch number 633 long case. This case is 48 inches by 11 inches by 4 inches tall. This is the longest of the economy cases. It offers a raised handle as well as 4 latches and 3 lock ports on the side and the center. The interior has convoluted foam installed.